Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Google Flow subscription. Now, if for some reason you can't pay for your subscription again and you want to cancel, you can do so anytime. To do so, you really don't need to go to the Google Flow website. You need to go to Google One. So it's one.google.com. And once you've logged into the same account, by the way, make sure that it's the same Gmail account that you use to subscribe to your Flow, right? Once you're here, you want to look at the upper right corner of your screen. There's settings, the cogwheel icon, which is for settings. Click on it. You're going to be brought to this page right here. Now, once you are here, on the very bottom, you're going to say subscription, and you can cancel the subscription for Google One, or the Google One, for Google Flow via this. Now, again, if you're using Google Flow on your mobile, you need to go through the Google Pay route because Google Pay is the one that you're going to use on your mobile. So make sure that you know that. So once you are here, you just need to click on cancel subscription. It's going to ask you maybe you'd want to, have a better deal or something like that. But that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.